Waiting to go live. The message, yes, I'm live now. A few queries come to my mind. If some experts may be watching and may watch later, I would like to know in case because coronavirus has come up in this mutated form as a novel coronavirus and is playing havoc all over the world. Uh, First query is like in India, dengue, which is also a virus, chikungunya, which is also a virus. I also suffered from chikungunya about 4 years back and was admitted. Very difficult. Lot of all this, my small joints had swollen up and stiff hands and muscles. I had difficulty in operating for a few months and used to cause pain and stiffness. It was a very difficult time even walking. That's different. My question is, like I have been hearing that some in the zoo, some lions and tigers have become infected. So can even it bites, through the clothes. I have had many bites. My this connection is unstable. Yes, now I think again it has come. So I have had many bites through the clothes. In European countries, the mosquito problem is not that much. In America, maybe not that much. But in the countries of Asia and Africa, maybe Australia, some portions, and in South America, this problem is very big. The science, like the blood from one person, the mosquito, punctures a person with a tube-like thing, sting, and it, draws the blood and it swells up. Sometimes we swap the mosquito and it dies and there is a splash of blood. So then it goes and bites another person. Maybe I don't know exactly. I am not a master in this entomology. I can go to the net, but I think if the blood is sucked by mosquito and then it goes to infect another person, so will the mosquito die of the virus before it infects another person, or will it be immune to the, this virus, novel coronavirus? Another thing is flies. Like we know very well that the air droplets they fall at various places. Now in our countries and many countries, these flies or cockroaches, other insects like cockroaches, there are two types: Periplaneta americana and orientalis one. So this Periplaneta americana also came through ship and spread throughout the world. Now there are so many spiders, so many other insects. Oh, will they be carriers for this virus, especially in our warm or humid countries? So this is one question which I seek the answer. Please share the video with your friends. And in case you get an answer from an expert, a virologist or entomologist, or if it has not been studied, it can be studied. And another thing is that the dogs and cats, which are very common in England and Western countries and also in India. So dogs and cats, they are often taken outside for stroll or they cannot stay inside. Cats, you just can't, they will jump from here, there, go outside, catch a rat or a bird, or because they domesticated cats, totally domesticated, meaning completely indoor cats or pets, and when we get to cat and dogs, the other people are keeping horses and cattle, sheep, goat, cows, buffaloes. So all these things, the we need study because we need to make it the people aware about these things. So do we need to start like the winter season is going away in India and summer season is coming? And you see this, I'm keeping this mosquito repellent from the last season, which I have not put as yet. Although I sometimes see a mosquito flying, but I think that this will not transmit a disease. Maybe it will bite me, but because it is remain inside hidden all the time, hibernating during the winter. But we don't know, and I'm now tempted to put it, but it has some smell and some chemical. Of course, it will affect my body in some way or others. So this is one question. Questions are many, but I will just stop here. Please try to find out. This is important for everyone, because should we take extra precaution for mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, our pets, the animals inside or outside, they may also sneeze or cough. Like this news, I think it was true that in the zoo where people were visiting a tiger or a lion, I don't know, remember exactly. Now that also became infected with novel coronavirus and must have got become symptomatic, like having cough and difficulty in breathing. That's why they tested him for this COVID virus. So please, I request you, please do it. And if you get an answer, do share in your media and please convey to me. Thank you very much.